Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So my daughter came home from college this evening to visit, and her and Lisa decided to go shopping. So I'm playing with the other GoPro and changing out the mount. So she came home to visit. She only goes to school about an hour south of us at Western Michigan. So she came home for the evening and to visit, and thought I was going to be visiting with my daughter, and they decided to go shopping. Well, I'm not into shopping, so I let them take off to go shopping. I decided to come out and hit a local trail. It's Friday evening, late March. Last week we hit almost 70 degrees. Last night we got our fairly traditional late March snowstorm, sort of a snowstorm, not much of a storm. We got probably about 4 inches here, but I think the schools all had extra snow days, so all the schools in the area were closed. But my daughter's off to college, so that don't really affect us anymore. But yeah, we got some snow and they went shopping, so I decided I would just come out and hit some local real close trails, see if I can get some video, and maybe I've got a cheap knockoff drone. If it kind of looks like a DJI, but it's a Holy Stone. It's a knockoff kind of version, and it's a cheap one. It's not real great, but it's kind of fun to fly. I haven't used it much just because it's not high quality, but I figured with this, the snow is pretty, even though I'm not into winter. It is pretty, so I figured I'd come out and try to get a little footage tonight before it gets dark, and maybe get the drone out and just get a little bit of drone footage if I can get anything worth putting into a video. So stick around, we'll see. It's not going to be too much. It's a short trail. Like I said, just a short local trail out in a local game area. So we'll see what we can do. The girls went shopping, I figured I'd take advantage of the time just to come out before it got dark out, get a little video footage, put a short video out, and play around with the drone a little bit. See if this, it's not a nice sunny bright day, so we'll see what the light quality is with that drone. If it turns out decent, maybe it's something I'll start using a little more. Even I started this channel about 3 years ago just as a hobby. It's fun to edit the videos. Didn't really push and put a lot into it to grow it. Just I think 2 days ago hit 400 subscribers. Not a big milestone for most. A lot of people are hitting 1,000 and getting monetized in their first year. They're putting a lot into it. I'm not. It's just a side hobby. It's really fun. I love when I get the comments, the likes. I love that I get a few views. Like I said in the last video, a lot of the views are coming from people who are not subscribed. It really helps if you subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get the notifications for when my next video comes out. But it really helps the channel if I get the subscribers, the likes, the comments. I would like to grow this. Hopefully we'll get some good videos out very soon of getting out camping. This weekend's not good weather and we got stuff going on, but I really think next weekend we're going to get out and camp with a couple other our friends that you've seen in the previous videos with Dan and Twyla, and Jeremy and Amanda. So yeah, if you would give us those, subscribe, give us those likes and comments, really would appreciate it. It helps the channel, and I really like the comments and commenting back and interacting with y'all. So if we can get this to 1,000, share it with your friends. If we can get this channel to 1,000 by the end of the year, that would be awesome. I think we'd have to do a giveaway at that point. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching, and as always, we adventure at our level. Get out and adventure at your level.